What if a tiny New York City apartment could feel like a cozy English cottage? Welcome to Manna Home Design, where we turn small spaces into stylish, functional homes and share the best apartment decor ideas, smart storage solutions, and cozy interior inspiration. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant 600-square-foot New York City apartment makeover, designed with English country cottage charm, soft feminine details, and smart small space living solutions that make every inch count. If you love small apartment decor and cozy home ideas, hit like and let me know your favorite space so far. Don't forget to subscribe for more New York City apartment tours, small space living tips, and interior design inspiration every week. Foyer, entryway. Step into a petite New York apartment foyer, a narrow entryway designed with English country cottage inspiration and a soft feminine aesthetic. The sophisticated pink walls instantly create warmth, while the refinished light walnut parquet floors bring a fresh, airy feel to this small space. This compact entryway design features a coat closet and storage closet, maximizing functionality in a small apartment layout. A slim console table paired with wall hooks offers smart storage solutions, keeping everyday essentials organized without clutter. The real focal point is the vintage gold-framed artwork, a unique stooping find, adding personality and storytelling to the space. With warm, soft lighting, realistic textures, and a minimal yet personal design approach, this entryway perfectly blends modern New York City living with cozy English cottage charm. Kitchen, Galley. Welcome to a compact Manhattan galley kitchen, a classic small apartment kitchen layout reimagined with a bright and airy design. The white cabinet doors replace outdated dark wood, instantly transforming the space into a clean, modern environment. This small kitchen renovation includes an updated light countertop and an undermount sink that maximizes every inch of counter space, essential in a narrow galley kitchen. A tiny pantry with added shelves creates efficient storage in an otherwise tight footprint. Even without natural light, the space feels open thanks to thoughtful design choices. Colorful travel magnets bring personality, while the blend of modern functionality and subtle English cottage charm creates a kitchen that's both practical and visually inspiring. Office area. This small apartment home office corner is part of a multi-use living space, designed for both productivity and personality. A slim, narrow desk fits perfectly, making it ideal for a compact workspace setup. The highlight is a bulletin board filled with layered postcards, photos, and tickets, creating a curated clutter aesthetic. Royal memorabilia and vintage magazine prints add a unique storytelling element to the decor. With soft pink walls, warm parquet flooring, and natural light, this space blends English-inspired decor with modern functionality. It's a perfect example of how to create a cozy, personal, and stylish home office in a small apartment. Living room. This small Manhattan living room captures the essence of English country cottage style blended with modern city living. The soft pink walls and refinished parquet floors create a warm, inviting foundation. A vintage glass and gold coffee table anchors the space, paired with a neutral sofa with blue accents inspired by the room's layered rug color palette. Above the couch, a large textured artwork adds depth and visual interest. The bookshelf filled with royal mug collections and personal objects brings character and history into the room. With a collected aesthetic, mix of vintage and modern elements, and warm lighting, this living room feels both curated and lived in. Dining area. This compact dining space brings a French bistro-inspired design into a small apartment layout. A dark wood table acts as the anchor, creating contrast against the soft pink walls. mirrors add texture and a trendy yet timeless feel, while a vintage vase centerpiece introduces a personal travel story. The layout is practical yet stylish, perfect for everyday dining or entertaining guests. Blending English cottage charm with Parisian influence, this space feels cozy, elegant, and intentional. With warm lighting and thoughtful styling, it transforms a small corner into a beautiful and functional dining area. Bedroom. This small Manhattan bedroom is filled with natural light thanks to glass partition walls, creating an open and airy feel. The design is rooted in English country cottage inspiration. The standout feature is the floral wallpaper in William Morris style, with a cream base and pink-green botanical pattern. Paired with vintage artwork from the UK, the room feels deeply connected to British heritage design. With cozy feminine bedding, warm parquet flooring, and a mix of classic and modern elements, this bedroom creates a romantic, tranquil atmosphere, a perfect retreat in the heart of a busy city. Bathroom. This small vintage New York bathroom features bold pink 1960s tiles, creating a unique and eye-catching retro aesthetic. With limited built-in storage, added wall shelves provide a smart solution for organizing beauty products in a compact bathroom layout. The space embraces a slightly worn but charming look, blending practicality with personality. With soft lighting and a feminine retro vibe, it's a perfect example of making the most of a small space. Storage, closets. In a small apartment, smart organization is everything. This optimized closet system is designed to maximize vertical space and improve functionality. A converted coat closet into storage space allows for better organization of clothing and essentials, creating a clean and efficient layout. By using every inch wisely, this design blends modern storage solutions with a classic interior style, proving that even the smallest spaces can feel organized and spacious. Full apartment overview. This 600 square foot Manhattan one-bedroom apartment blends English country cottage style with modern city living, creating a unique and cozy atmosphere. From soft pink walls to refinished light walnut parquet floors, every detail reflects a feminine, layered, and personalized design approach with smart storage solutions throughout. With vintage decor, personal collections, and warm natural lighting, the space feels curated yet lived in, proving that even a small apartment can tell a big, beautiful story. Love this small space makeover? Hit like, subscribe for more New York City apartment tours and cozy home ideas, and tell me in the comments, which room was your favorite?